Hello amazing people, my name is Anshul and I am the human of UX. Today I'll be introducing with a tool which is not specific to bunch of people or a company, but tool for an entire community. Yes, a community of more than 4 million users, a community of designers and thinkers. So let me ask you this, how many of you are aware of Figma or Figma prototypes? Okay, so for those who don't know, Figma is a design tool and Figma prototype is one of its features which help you convert your static designs into an interactive experience. Quite amazing, right? But sometimes the design journey is not conveyed as intended. To explain this, let me share some pain points with you. So the very first one is the glitches in prototypes. So we as a designer do a lot of prototyping and sometimes Figma prototype faces glitches. And as a client, you have to have tool knowledge to run the prototype smoothly. While if this does not happen, it might create gaps in conveying the design journey. We have also heard the unheard voices. This tool is not created out of pure imagination. But in Figma community, people are requesting similar tool where we have more than 621 votes. Well, let me introduce you with the tool. Introducing you ProtoVid. It's a tool which helps you convert your designs into a shareable video guide. It's a tool which is super efficient and easy way to communicate your design thinking. Now I'll give it over to Ankur. He will share some extra points about this.
Thanks Anshul. Well, you must be having so many questions around your head. How does this work? How does this make the complex part super easy? Well, let me try to explain it in a better way. So let's assume that this complex looking structure is a prototype, although a prototype could be even more complex than this. But let's just assume for now. Now, if you see this structure, there are lots of flows going around in form of threads, and it is really hard to say where the flow is starting from and where it is leading to. In a similar way, a prototype could be really complex and hard to tell where to click on a hotspot and lead to next steps. Now, if I try to untangle this and make it little easy for everyone to understand. Now, if you see this looks still more easy to guess that the flow is starting from this point A and moving from in this direction. In a similar way, ProtoVid helps you untangle the complexity part from a prototype and allows you to identify the different set of flows that the designer has done. And this literally happens in 3 simple steps. Step 1, select your interactive flow. Step 2, have a quick preview of your selected flow just to make sure that you are going in the right direction. Step 3, zoop, done. Now download and share it with your peers or clients instantly.
And wait, that's not all. When we were working on ProtoVid, the idea was to create a tool that can record Figma prototypes. But we thought a lot more can be achieved. So we have packed it with some features. A feature like you can record your audio and video while recording the prototype screen. So you can narrate your vision effortlessly. Also, taking clients' feedback was a crucial part. So we made it fun. We have added emoji and timestamps where one can mark comments in the video with the help of timestamps and emojis. Now I'll give it over to Anish. He will explain you and give you a short demo of the product.
Thanks Anshul. Now let me give a quick walkthrough of what Figma is and how this tool works. So this is Figma where we designers bring ideas to life, and over here to run any plugin, all you need to do is right click anywhere on the screen. You see this panel, go to plugin and click prototype. This is an onboarding screen which I'll hit next and skip. Over here you see different flows that you have created while designing. All you need to do is click one of the flows and hit continue. Select the settings, desired settings, and hit export. Now let the ProtoVid do the magic. Now done, your video is ready. I'll just save it, and then this is the output. As you can see, this exactly looks like a user is navigating in the app. With ProtoVid, now you can communicate with clarity, create walkthroughs of your product flows, so everyone knows how you will bring life to the product. Also, you can create demos and highlight the ideas of your design, so your sales team can turn those into revenues. Now, you can give context to the documented user guides, create videos so users can understand how the how the ideas are going to work. This is how we want to transform the way we communicate designs. Now, other reasons to use ProtoVid are time is money, less is more, stay focused, and make the IT team happy. Thank you. We are Humans of UX.